May the Chinese and American people's friendship be like Kuling's century-old Cryptomeria cypress tree and last forever.
But my grandfather played tennis, and so when he came here, he was always very, very happy to spend the summer here and play in Kiliang. My father was born in Kiliang. My father wrote a lot of memories about Kiliang when he was a small child. They talked about how much they loved to be here because they got to play with lots of kids from a lot of different places. They loved Kiliang.